welcome back guys, it's Diamond, and today I'm going to be trying to shoot at the wall, this shed I mean, and try and hit this. So let's see if it does it. Okay, I forgot that I have to reload the weapon. Okay, it's reloaded. Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work. Let's try again. Yo, he went through there. He actually went through there. What? I cannot believe it. Oh my god. I cannot believe that just happened. Okay, finally, I'm gonna try and attempt. That wasn't what I was looking for, but pretty good. It was pretty good. Okay. Did it shot? Okay. Let me try and get a better weapon. Let me try and get a better one. This weapon. Yep. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so actually let me just shoot the what? But the bullet went over there. Okay. Nope. Wait. I need to get behind yours. Come on, I can do it. What? It touched the scooter. It slided in it and it went over there. What? How crazy is that? So guys, I'm out of ammo, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it, like the video, subscribe right now, and yeah, please just subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. So bye guys, bye.